Okay, this is gonna be super controversial, but I 100% guarantee that it's gonna get the viewers' attention, alright? Makima is my favorite character! This is a full-length reaction, and you guys know what to do. Open up your own copy of the episode and sync it up with the timer that will appear within Kiwi's hands at the end of my countdown. Let's get right into episode 5 of Chainsaw Man. Starting the episode in 3, 2, 1, play. Oh yeah, Booba. Booba.
The silence is loud.
The silence of Booba. In movie. Oh!
That makes
Don't
me
make
so
it
uncomfortable.
weird, Power.
I don't like it.
Oh my god. They're not real! They're not real! No! Oh my god, Denji's been traumatized.
Oh, damn.
No, Denji! What? He's doing it in such a robotic manner.
The
For
disillusionment.
some reason, Denji looks
you can
traumatized.
see it in his face. You can see the disillusionment.
You got catfished, buddy.
What is with that laugh? Oh, how does the cat just instantly jump onto her?
She goes, come, young
Denji.
girl, and he comes, I fly.
My poor boy. You've been living your entire life for this, and it turned out to not be worth it. I am so sorry.
Maki, my best girl.
Well, Kiwi's resignation will be accepted quite soon.
Look at him in the background. One day.
Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Stop it.
What? You can't hear me.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm literally whispering.
I like how Kiwi assumes that we can't hear her.
Why is my mic picking me up when it's not supposed to pick me up, but when it's supposed to, it doesn't pick me up?
Well, I feel like your mic can pick up things that are like super far away. Like even like your parents talking, we can hear it most of the time. Yeah. But when it doesn't pick you up, it's probably because you're too loud and too near it that it blows out the microphone.
Yeah, I'm not loud though.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes.
You answered your own question.
Yes, I don't know what to say to that.
I'm disappointed.
Denji, no!
Oh no!
Please give this man some actual Booba. Oh my god! Oh my god. Look, Power. Denji just discovered that everything that he's been living for was a lie, so...
Not that it was a lie.
Just
that
the
it
person,
wasn't what he imagined it to be.
The person that he asked for it was actually lying to him.
Oh my god, Denji. Maki was like, what the fuck? Oh, you could tell, huh? it just won't be worth it. This is what people shouldn't do. Like, they hype up anime so much and create super high expectations, so no matter what, it's just gonna be disappointing, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, just don't do that.
No, I relate to Denji as well. My mom once promised me that because I'm short and chubby, I would get big boobs. But then I hit puberty and years passed, and now I am over 20. And still nothing. I was lied to.
Kiwi's trauma. Oh. Of course, Makima knows exactly what to say to Denji in this moment. Oh my god, they're hand holding. We have to censor this.
Tantalizing hand holding.
Oh god. Denji literally cannot stand up right now. On this music too.
I'm getting uncomfortable.
Oh.
That is so nasty. Why would you bite someone's fingers?
All of my dreams have come true. Booba! You can never wash that hand ever again.
He's going to have a heart attack. No, Denji, calm down, buddy.
Ah, well, there it is. So easy. Way too easy.
He is such a manipulator. Beautiful.
They were talking about the gun devil last episode. Of like the bat devil didn't have any like of any of its flesh. Booba. Between gun and chainsaw. You're Denji. I get to touch the other Booba? Poor boy.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, that's why it's super powerful now. What does it look like? Are we gonna get to see it?
It's just a giant gun with like little tiny hands and feet.
I was thinking of like, you guys remember that one anime where it's like a detective that has like a gun for a head? It came out a few seasons ago. Yeah, I was thinking of that guy.
No.
Oh, is that Hayakawa?
Backstory.
What happened to his little brother?
Jim's ill.
Wait, Hayakawa did mention that his family was killed by devil, so was it the gun devil that did it?
That would play in story-wise.
Where even is this? Like, I did not see any house in the distance at all, but
Magic house.
well,
Well, you both blowed and blew the house away.
That's not how I thought that was gonna go.
that was actually
something
beautiful.
was-
Like,
I thought
okay,
something
that was a
going to
terrible
drop
thing that
from
happened.
above.
Yeah.
But like, that was so beautiful. That was like Truck Kun coming out of nowhere, but it was Gun Devil Kun instead. Holy
didn't even see
balls,
the
dude!
gun.
With
Just-
one shot, he
just
killed
the-
a million people. Hayakawa definitely blames himself for that. He would have been safe if they just kept playing.
Aww.
Why would a demon like that have to hide? Oh, so it's kind of like Sukuna's fingers from JJK. You'll be able to find him. Oh, is that the fish devil?
He's
Oh,
so
Himeno, what do you
beautiful, though.
do? Ah, okay. Maybe now we're finally gonna get into main villain. Is Gun Devil main villain, or is someone using these bits and spinning it around?
Gun Devil's already dead.
Potentially. Maybe we should call him Dante. Must learn about the other three that we do not know of.
Mhm.
Two of them seem like lesbians.
Why are you assuming that of them?
Kiwi sees two of the same sex touch and goes, gay!
I mean, isn't that kind of what Fujoshis do?
I mean, yeah.
I'm just the anime. I don't do that to real gay people. Poor gay people.
Pairing these two up is a bad idea. Yeti.
He's really like a big brother taking care of two toddlers.
I agree with this guy. Like, I wouldn't trust my life with these two of all people. They don't seem very trustworthy.
I was gonna say their strength check, their actual like care and consideration that they would protect you. No,
Yeah. I mean, like, you remember when during the last fight, Denji just threw a car with a guy in it at the devil. I don't really care what happens to him. Also, what are your names?
Mm,
You
girl
only know
A.
Himeno. Girl A,
Boy
guy F.
Yeah, like they've said their names, I didn't stick.
I only know for a fact that they said Himeno's name.
Yeah.
Oh. But you're excited by the idea. It's time
I like this
for
track that we're
Booba.
building.
He's got much bigger reward waiting for him.
These meat chunks.
For her, everybody, literally everyone knows who he's talking about.
Oh no, Denji, oh no.
Sick stuff.
Eh.
Wait, is this the girl that threw up in someone's mouth in the manga?
I did not want to know that. Why did you
What?
have to ask that? Why? What
I don't know.
for?
I bet that memory just popped into my head of someone talking about that.
Oh, God.
I could be wrong. I'm sorry. I don't know.
What are these guys doing?
Turned out this guy is just the biggest simp.
I was hopeful that he would actually be good. He's just the same.
Very, very untrustworthy. Arai?
Just they're egging him on.
Kobeni, okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they said their names.
I don't think he's going to be dying anytime soon.
I was reading what they were talking about before. I was not reading.
I was gonna say, if
credits.
someone is gonna die here, it's either gonna be the two nobodies or Aki. That's pretty much the only options.
Oh, what the hell happened to you? And you look really good with long hair.
It is the GG from the grave on Valkyria Chronicles 0.
No. If only the grandpa there was as cool as this guy. Looks like they've been with each other
She
for a
also
long
lose her
time.
family to the gun devil.
Lost a partner, it looks like.
Mm-hmm. So they have something in common.
Denji complaining.
Oh my god, Denji. What is your power, Himeno? Is it your eye?
Mom.
Oh man.
Oh, it's a Geodude.
Geodude.
Well, that's a fetish in one person.
Oh, okay, let's see. Kobeni, you might want to step up. Oh my god, power. Does she have the force? The ghost devil?
Ghost devil.
Yeah, it looks like depending on the body part, maybe how valuable the body part is. I don't know.
Yeah.
I
What
guess
did
it just
Aki
depends
get
on the
rid of
deal.
then?
Aki said a little bit of his skin.
Oh, skin. Okay.
I guess maybe the deal is just different for everyone.
I think the deal is probably just different. Because also,
Yeah.
Aki has to do it every time he uses the power. So it looks like she just gave up her eye and the ghost like took that as the contract or whatever.
We'll have to see what Arai and oh, we saw the ghost arm there.
I wonder if she can see it because it's a demon, devil, the devil.
Hmm.
Denji and Power really are just the children of the group.
Yeah.
Oh, they're going in circles.
Oh, it's an SCP. It's the endless hotel hallway. So that's why people went in and never left.
That face.
Oh, she's going to be so annoying.
Dimensional loop.
Ooh. Whoa.
This is fun.
This is Kobeni's ED?
It's like an Eve visuals ED, but it's not Eve singing it.
This is trippy. What the?
I like it. This is fun.
Impossible spaces?
Fitting. This ED's by Pseudo.
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 Ooh, this horse is cool.
Yeah, it's very pretty. I like it.
I don't know. I think the visuals for this one I find the most interesting.
Yeah, this is probably most my favorite ED for song and visuals currently.
Yeah.
Oh.
This one is the one I would listen again to.
Ooh.
It reminds me of another song, but I can't think of what.
Like I said, it has sound of Eve and visuals of Eve, but it's not Eve singing it. It confused me for a second.
Yeah, I don't know
there.
Pseudo, so I don't know.
Yeah. I don't recognize the name either. All I can comment on is that I really enjoyed the visuals on that one.
Apparently, he did the opening for something called Tsukimichi Moonlit Fantasy. That's the only other anime work he's done.
So, Denji's dream of touching Booba was not everything that he thought it was going to be. At least when it comes to powers, Booba. Power pads or breasts.
He's learned that that the pleasure he gets is in fact connected to the person he gets it from.
And of course, Makima is the one that tells him this. Like, God, it's Makima's my favorite character. I believe I already said this, but it's so enthralling just seeing how well she manipulates everyone around her. But yeah, we have a deal where she's able to like say literally anything that Denji asks of her, because I'm guessing the task is nigh impossible. This gun devil with one shot killed 1 million people. Like, oh my god. How powerful of a devil is that? And why is it hiding now? If it could kill millions of people with one shot,
that's the thing that I'm like, why did it just disappear? Like, either that one shot had purpose behind it that we don't know, or
Well, I mean,
someone else is even stronger and or maybe that shot killed it too. I don't know.
I just thought that he shot someone from far away and the bullet was just going so fast that it brought things with it. That's what I thought happened.
Yeah, I think it is. It just, that was the power of the shot itself. Because we didn't see, like, it's not like a crazy beam or something. It's just the destruction in the wake of the shot.
It was just wind.
It looks like it was simply from the force of the blast that decimated literally everything in a straight line. The disappearance of the so-called gun devil is extremely strange, very sus.
Yeah.
I was imagining that, like, if it was that powerful, then it would have gone on a rampage and killed many more people. But they said, you know, just one shot and killed that many people, and now they can't find it. What happened to it? We didn't even see it. Demons are always born with a name, and the name that they carry, depending on like how much fear people have around that name, is how powerful the demon is. So does like censoring it after the fact actually help with reducing its power?
Maybe.
I mean, the damage was already done, so I don't know.
I
Because
feel
people already
like
have the image of gun violence in their mind from what they've seen already. So, like, censoring it, I don't think would help much.
I feel like guns is such a just a big thing that even if they did, I don't know that that would really quell people's fear of it.
certainly, even if they censored all guns from any sort of media, people
It would
still
almost be
remember.
scarier then, because then you're like, I know it's still out there, I just can't see it.
Like, millions of people died from one single gunshot from this gun devil. They don't have to be afraid of guns as a whole. Just this one gun devil is enough of like something to fear, right? I don't know whether like how they kept that under wraps. Maybe the general public doesn't even know about this devil. Potentially, that could be a thing because, like, of course, they're part of the agency.
I don't know.
So
do they have to know that the gun devil was responsible to have that fear count towards it, or is just the event and that fear of the event enough to be like, yep?
Obviously, this is Makima telling the story to Denji, so I don't really trust everything that she says. Obviously,
pieces have to be missing, right?
definitely. And Makima knows more about this particular gun devil. There's definitely something that she might be seeking from this gun devil, which is why she brought Denji in the first place. I guess maybe she has this idea of like the chainsaw devil can maybe one day rival the gun devil, right? I wouldn't say so, but you know, I mean, chainsaws do be pretty scary, but the gun devil killing millions of people in one shot is a completely different league.
I was gonna say, chainsaws are something you see in horror movies as a weapon. It's not something you see in real life as a weapon.
I think this is the ulterior motive, quote unquote, that Makima has that isn't part of what the government set her out to do. Last time we saw the government officials, they were trying to weaponize the demons and the fiends in this particular agency, and that's literally all that they tasked Makima for. But then Makima's going out here searching for the so-called gun devil for whatever reason, collecting all of the bullets, and I feel like collecting all of them is going to be like collecting all the Dragon Balls, and then she can make one of her wishes come true or something.
Maybe
if the devil is dead for whatever reason, maybe she's trying to bring it back by collecting all the missing parts of it.
Potentially.
Maybe she's trying to prove herself and her workforce. Wishful thinking.
Wow. That was so innocent.
I'm thinking like Look, I'm thinking like maybe she's trying to gain attention and trust by other people by collecting more, and thus she will get more power and more worth by it because her force is much stronger than the rest of them, kind of thing.
Makima is actually the manipulation devil.
She could be like a succubus for all we know for what she was doing
Yeah,
this episode.
exactly.
I think that she's not doing it for the sake of her force. I think she's doing it for herself. Very selfish reasons here. She loves to control those around her. So potentially with the power of this gun devil, or if say the chainsaw devil is able to grow even more powerful than the gun devil, if she's able to control that, then she'll be the most powerful person in the world, right? And she'll have control of everything. I think that may be her ulterior motive here.
Yeah, I can see it.
Even going so far as to offer Denji a little tickle in the haystack.
No.
If it's in order to reach your goals of world domination, you know, it is sad that Hayakawa's family got caught in this, and my god, the way that they transitioned from the peaceful just snow out in the middle of nowhere, having fun with your little brother. Hey, go back in and grab your glove, you know, let's go and have some fun. And boom. I don't think he'll ever be able to forgive himself for that. Yeah, we also got Himeno's power. Quite interesting. It's like with the ghost devil.
Yeah.
And then she can like force choke demons. I kind of like that.
So do you think she just has no eye, or does she have like Ghost Devil's eye sitting there?
I was thinking that she has like an eye that gets eaten by little worms every time she uses her power. That was my image.
That is very disgusting.
If I were Chainsaw Man's author, I would leave it just a cavity.
I feel like the hidden power under the eye patch might be a little overdone.
Well, it's just such a strong shonen trope that I'm like, if you were to subvert that, it would just be empty, which I feel like is what Chainsaw Man would do, but also it is a shonen, so maybe not. Who knows?
Maybe, you know, maybe she's a lot more powerful than just this force choking thing. They're definitely gonna have to do something to get out of this SCP right here. I do think that they're going to use either Arise or like what was it? Kobeni? Yes, Kobeni.
Yeah, Kobeni.
Kobeni's power to perhaps figure out what's going on or like find where this
I
demon
hope
that's
they do,
affecting them
because
is.
currently she pisses me off.
Yeah, I really don't
She
like
needs a
her.
purpose here.
I really don't like Miss Combini.
Konbini.
Kobeni. Yeah, both of these two so far, from just the little bit we've seen of them now, I have no attachment to them whatsoever.
Yeah,
They're
me
both
too.
kind of annoying in their own way.
Yeah, I agree on that completely.
I want to see them go through a good like character moment and become someone I care about.
Yeah,
That's always
I
my
don't-
hope in writing, is that they can take a character that I am either indifferent on or maybe not the hugest fan of, and have it
Yeah, this is kind of
develop
like
in a way that I am attached to them.
like timid characters like Kobeni are the type of characters that I can go on a full-on rant about on why I like them and why I dislike them at the same time, because they can get so much growth, so much good growth, and change completely, or they can be completely fucked up and just become super annoying. So we'll
I don't
see.
know. I don't take much weight in what you say since you're a Rachel stan.
That is
Rachel, best girl. Makima, best girl.
I think it would be cool if like Kobeni's power made her like change her personality completely.
Oh, are you saying like she's like Zayn?
So you don't like her either, and you're like, yes, just become a different person.
Are
No,
you
that's
saying
not
that
what I'm
she's
saying.
like Zainzu from Demon Slayer, where she loses conscience, she becomes like this super cool Chad type of character?
No. Well, I guess maybe in a
I thought
way,
it's
but
more,
not like that.
Alexandrite from Hoseki no Kuni, where it's like you have normal Alexandrite who's just kind of nerdy and does her own thing, and then you have like when they shift and become like battle mode Alexandrite, and they just go ham.
It would be funny though if she is actually talentless and doesn't know how to do anything, but she is just so lucky that whenever she moves or something, she kills a demon, and that's why the senpai thinks
that
that she
could be
actually has
something.
got moves.
But of course, these two have to have some sort of deal with a certain devil. So depending on what that devil's called, then yeah, maybe their powers will align with that. I was thinking of like Mob from Mob Psycho 100 kind of level, where like, oh yeah, when Kobeni actually gets into a tight situation, then she turns up and completely changes like that. But you know, we'll see. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Check out the playlist if you haven't seen any of our other Chainsaw Man reactions. But until then, later, dudes.
Bye bye.